Welcome to our perfume factory. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how perfume is made, from pure ingredients to the final luxury.
These jasmine flowers must be completely dry before you approve the shipment. Log it under batch 4.
Only the highest quality natural and synthetic ingredients are selected to ensure a consistent fragrance profile.
Each formula is refined and tested to achieve perfect balance and longevity.
Every bottle undergoes strict quality checks before shipment.
And that's how perfume is made, from the finest ingredients to a luxurious final product.